How to fix your Tinder account has been banned. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. If you're also getting a error message that your Tinder account has been banned, then let me show you the quick process of fixing it. Tinder bans your account if you violated their terms of service and community guidelines. If you search for community guidelines of Tinder, you can open up this article by Tinder and take a look at all of these. If you have done something against their community guidelines of Tinder, then you won't be able to retrieve your account. Even if you haven't done anything, your account still was banned, then you can report this issue to Tinder themselves. Search for Tinder support and open up the first link, which is submit a request. Inside of this website, just click on this box and click on trouble with account login. Another box will open up. Again, click on it and click on can't log in, my account was banned. After you do that, a form will open up where you'll need to type in your information. Type in your email address, type in your phone number, and also type in your description. In the phone number section, also make sure to include your country code, like so. Now you can type in something like this in the description. Make sure to include the exact phone number and the email address which is on your Tinder as well. After you type in all this information, you can click on submit. After you submit this request, Tinder will take a look at your profile, and if you haven't violated the community guidelines, they will give you back your account. But if they think that you have violated it, you cannot do anything about it and your account will be permanently banned. So that was the process of fixing your Tinder account was banned. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.